It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. Salute. Okay, but fair to I wanna get straight to it. Understand and the bump into the Shandis as a power talk, yabo, with Dr. Mbuyiseni, you understand? And interview show DJ Maporiza and call a party management and actually because I Cape Town suffer rating and the management and tell us bukele way and then sizawuthetha after, you understand? And from now ufumane nje context yale Shandis and then sizawuthetha after one time.
Dilo tse dintsi tse ke di boneng tse di irahetseng like back then it's like I managed to hore ke petchenyana. So I became a problem solver in the
like what problem?
For example, we're struggling with management, artist management. Like it is a whole country of South Africa. No one handling artist management. There's booking agents. It's just that but transform babadi manager.
So there's a difference between a booking agent and an artist manager.
So I would say Kabza kamo manager. You know what I'm saying? So I became they make sure hore as a flop, there's certain things you can't say go social media, you know what I'm saying? You can't cancel gigs and just because of one understand. So I became that person. So manager. So that's what we struggling with. That's why the artist most of the time, you know what I'm saying?
They don't have a staying power.
Yeah. Because I'm not manager.
Yeah.
So manager, like he plays a big role. Make sure you know what I'm saying? Let's say so we don't have that. So
you go for a haircut.
Yeah.
You know about cleaning. Or better as can.
So it's like actually South Africa is struggling like that. So there's a big gap there. We're learning, okay, there's a lot of people who are trying to be managers and now we're struggling her now. Manager you go star. So manager you go para Gucci one understand.
You want to stage.
But what's the picture?
Unyaka mention now look power king when.
So give on and take winning a gap.
Yeah. Okay. Let me take the headlines quickly. Right. I want.
Yeah, evaluation is ne. Masizame uzisa pick up again. How many artists zala pick up? Okay, masise kwi hip hop way. How many rappers zala pick up that you know is ne manage? And the manager yabo plays a big role with career yabo. Just count. I'm sure so figure na 10. You understand? Because sine kukwa bandu that when you approach them without a manager, it makes you seem like unprofessional because you can't conduct yourself like a manager because you're artist, Joe. Awuzazi terminology, basithethayo and all that stuff because you don't care to study that shit because you're busy writing rhymes and now you end up managing yourself and you can't do that. You understand? Because it makes you seem unprofessional. So sitting at management, dog. When you try to manage yourself, bene disappointment because awufaka kwezindawo uzama uzifaka kuzo because you can't speak the language or awukwazi negotiate for yourself. You understand? And kulapho ke ngokudingeka a manager to speak on your behalf athethe le language yabo because a manager by study shall we to manage an artist. You understand? So now by the time utba disappointed abantu banika i rejection spirit sakho siyehla to write rhymes because now of course emodini depressed lala endlini lala the whole fucking day you can't write rhymes of a beat aphume rhymes ukwe writer's block because of a disappointment. You understand? As fun masixoya imanager yakho ingaceleli kwayona manager yakho because iyakumanage. You understand? So man, let's comment up uzansi yabo lewe manje vele yanhlaba kakhulu lewe because siyazidinga i-management sayidinga i-management into uzoba serious ngomanage artists alapha break it through. Yabo shout out to Bravo Leroux. You understand? Une management team. You understand? Shout out to Dreamers Cup in a management team. Shout out to Youngster CPT une management team. You understand? And ngobana abanye awusozofike ku10 xa unobabala. Yabo ngabantu babona baya manager because they move a certain way. You understand? So we need that up and the location. You understand? But anyway, let's hit the like, share, and subscribe. Salute.